Okay, I think we got it. So I'll try to explain what I did. So first of all, I pulled this. You can pry up on the little clip on the top side of it. When it was hanging down, I could see it. And I removed that so that way I could bring everything out. I also, before that, down in the pulley down there, the tension one, I put a rope around the thing and pulled it tight and kind of tied the rope. So right now I don't have tension on this, and I was able to remove it. I just put it back on, but now I need to pull my rope off to let the tension back on the pulley so that the belt will be then running. So what happened was I couldn't get it on. I kept trying, I just could not get it on. So I pulled it out again, and I was feeling there's a little key in there, and you have to know where that is. So mine's facing at that angle. It depends on where you stop your motor, probably. And I could feel the slot or the key that was on this part inside there, and it was like jagged on the edge. So I thought, well, I don't think that's going to go on. So I took it over, grabbed a hand file, and I filed off the burr. And then I came back and put some WD-40 on it, and thank goodness it went up. You know, you have to kind of twist this back and forth to, because you're not positive where the key is. And then I got it. And then I couldn't get the stupid bolt started good. I mean, it felt like it was starting, but I didn't want to start it wrong. So I took it back off and lost my lock washer, which was probably okay because I went and got a new one. I had some extras here. Maybe the other one wasn't really, looked pretty flat. So and then before I put this back on again, I just tried the bolt by itself and ratcheted on a little bit just to feel comfortable that it was going right. Took it back off. Thankfully, I got this back on pretty good. And you have to keep it. You have this slot right here, so it has to go in that slot. So you have to twist this a little bit to get the key right, and then it's kind of hard holding because this little thing is heavy. I don't know what all's in here, but it's pretty heavy. And I was able, by then my muffler had cooled off, so I wasn't going to get burnt, because that was the initial of the problem too. I got it started, held it up with one hand, ratcheted it on, and I got it on. I tried to get it pretty tight, but you can feel something else, probably the motor's moving. So it's on there pretty good. I'm going to have to check it, maybe during the mowing and after the mowing, to make sure it didn't come loose. I was going to put the Loctite on it, but honestly, I was having so many other issues, I ended up WD-40ing it in there and got it on. So I think everything's back in place now. So it's right underneath the motor. If you lose that bolt, hopefully you lose in the driveway like I did, because I've been in the grass. That might not have been good. So I'm going to release this rope now to put the tension back on the belt, and the Raptor Hustler should be ready to go. So let's try it.